Here we have our ceiling fan display right here. Okay. Here it is, okay, it's what I was replacing now. This one is the mini 5-bladed leaf fan here. I just ordered 2 of them. And here is this blue one right here. This blue one, maybe that's not gonna work, okay? Maybe this blue one would be hacking over me, okay? Here, we have this one right here. This ceiling fan 5-blade, big, large, and sized. And here we have this pink one here, 5-bladed, with the extra sized. Okay, here are them go. So they look quite good. That's it. Okay, but I just actually forget while this one's actually wobbling. This size must be quite awesome. And get to your service right here and get something over new. And thank you for watching, and I'll get in the next video. We'll turn them off first. I hope you like this channel, Vintage and Ceiling Fans More. And then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.